As we all know, kidneys play a vital role in our overall health. But did you know that what you eat plays a huge role in kidney health? In this video, we will be discussing the best 8 foods to help improve kidney health. So, whether you're health conscious, fitness enthusiast, or someone concerned about kidney health, you're in the right place. Kidneys are essential organs in our bodies that help in filtering blood from impurities. But what most of us don't know is that what we eat plays an important role in keeping our kidneys healthy. So here, we have for you the best 8 foods to help improve kidney health. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only sweet and tangy, but they're also an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamin C. These antioxidants help to reduce inflammation and protect the body from the damaging effects of free radicals. A bowl of blueberries for a snack or as part of your breakfast can be a delicious and healthy way to stay hydrated and keep your kidneys healthy. Number 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are one of the most nutritious and delicious foods to help maintain healthy kidneys. They are low in potassium, which is essential for healthy kidneys, and are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as fiber. Eating raw red bell peppers in a salad or sautéed in a stir-fry can be a tasty way to promote kidney health. Number 3. Kale. Kale is a superfood that is nutrient-dense and packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. It's also a great source of fiber and low in potassium, making it an ideal vegetable for those concerned about kidney health. Try using kale in smoothies, salads, or as a side dish to keep your kidneys healthy. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is not only delicious, but it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant food that helps boost the immune system and promote overall health. It can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against kidney damage. Add garlic to your meals or take a garlic supplement to enjoy its many benefits. Number 5. Fish. Fish is a great source of high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and important minerals like selenium. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are all excellent fish choices that provide nutrients that are beneficial for kidney health. Try incorporating fish into your meals 2 to 3 times a week to enjoy its many health benefits. Number 6. Egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of protein and are low in phosphorus and potassium, making them a great food for kidney health. Try incorporating egg whites into your breakfast routine by making an omelet or a frittata. Number 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in vitamin C, making it an excellent vegetable choice for those concerned about kidney health. Roasting or sautéing cauliflower allows it to take on a delicious and nutty flavor that can be enjoyed by all. Number 8. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K, and important minerals like calcium and iron. These nutrients play an important role in maintaining healthy kidneys. Try incorporating leafy greens into your meals as part of a salad or cooked in a stir-fry. And there you have it, my fantastic viewers. 8 foods to help your kidneys and keep them healthy. Try to incorporate these foods into your daily diet, and you'll be doing what's right for your kidneys. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting health and wellness videos. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep improve your kidneys. Cheers!